Hi guys, welcome to my channel Computer Tricks and Tips. Today in this video tutorial I am going to discuss how you can secure your Google Chrome browser. Even if you have security programs installed on your computer like Norton, McAfee or AVG or any other security program, but still you need to secure your Google Chrome browser because if I talk about Google Chrome browser, there are lots of softwares and the services. Even there are lots of the services available by Google who tracks your activities every time you go on the Google, you surf the internet from the Google browser or Google search engine. So there are some tricks I will suggest you to follow so that no one can track your activities. Even the Google cannot track whatever you do on your system. They cannot spy you because in these days even the legitimate organization are spying the activities on their users. If you have heard about Facebook data breach last year, it happened, and in the same way the other companies are also doing that. So I would suggest to follow these steps so that you can you can keep your activity completely private. So let's proceed further. First of all, I'm going to show you how you can uh, secure your Google Chrome browser. So this is my website. It's www.pctipspro.com. You can also go to my website and you can read lots of information about your laptop or the computer. There are lots of articles written over online security and online earning ideas also. So first of all, let me open the Google Chrome browser and let me show you how you can secure it. So first step is to limit the synchronization. Synchronization means to say, suppose if you are logging to your Google Chrome browser from any particular email, and if you have used the same email to log in on other system like on any other PC, laptop or the phone, so your all data, all activities which you do on one computer, it can go to the other devices. So in order to limit that synchronization, first of all, click on this three star button, and you will see the setting option. Click on the settings option, and then go to the synchronization option. Synchronization, let me explain you one more time. This is the thing where your data can be synchronized from one device to other, which is not good for you because in this situation your information can be compromised by anybody. Even as I said, Google is tracking your activities so they can see everything. So in order to limit this synchronization setting, you can see once you will go to the setting option, you can see the synchronization. It's my synchronization is on right now, but I would suggest you to turn it off. So once you click on that, you can see there are lots of the things which you have auto allowed, like your apps information can be synchronized. You can see your autofill data, your bookmarks, your extensions, your histories. That means whatever you search on the internet or whatever you surf through the browser, that goes to the history, and that can be also synchronized. Even the most importantly, your passwords. That means your email password, your banking password, if you're auto saved in your browser, that can goes to the other devices also if you're using the same email to log into the browser on other device. So I would suggest to turn this off completely or turn any one of them off one by one which you don't want to share with the other device. And second thing is that this is the first thing, must follow that. And second instruction is to encrypt your data. Once you will scroll down, you can see it's coming up the option here, encrypt your data with synchronized password with your Google username and the password. So I would suggest to encrypt your synchronized like your data with the different password from the Google, because see, if you're using the same Google password to synchronize your data, then if somehow if your password can be revealed by, or if your password can be compromised, then it can be misused by any people. So use different password to synchronize your data. That will be more secure. Now, third step is to disable your Chrome web services. See, this is very important thing. What is Chrome web services? Chrome web services is a services provided by Google, where what Google does, Google keep track your activities to provide better web service, web, you can say like experience, so that what they exactly does, they take your information, they collect your history, your tracking, your surfing activities, whatever you do on the computer, and they share it to the third party or to their advertiser who are using their network, so that they can throw relevant ad to your computer or to your the browser. So in order to restrict, in order to I mean disable this Chrome web services, you need to again go to the setting option and scroll down, and you can see there is a advanced setting option here, very down bottom. Let's click on this, and now here you can see privacy and security, right? So once you go to this privacy and security option, you can see here content setting. So click on this content setting. I think, yeah, I'm sorry. So this is the content. You can see this is a privacy and other options, privacy and security. So this is the web services which you have auto allowed. So I would suggest to select one by one. Here you can see use a web services to help resolve spelling error, or automatic send user statics or crash report to the Google. Safe browsing, use web services to help resolve navigation error. So these all are the options help Google to track your activities, to collect your data from your Google Chrome browser. So I would suggest to disable this all the services according to your needs, so that they cannot track your activities. Now, the fourth and most important is thing, that restrict the cookies. Cookies is something, yes, I understand that it helps to speed up your computer speed, but still, cookies sometimes can, it can leads to steal your information from your computer very easily. So in order to restrict the cookies, you can go to the content setting here, this one option, and you can see go to the cookies. Then you will find here that you can see that it's recommended here that allow sites to save and read cookies data. But I would suggest to turn off this keep local data only until you quit a browser. So I would suggest to turn off all the services here, so that no one can, even Google cannot track your cookies. The fifth thing is to just go ahead and activate the ask before accessing. The thing is, if you're surfing internet through the Google Chrome browser, there are lots of the thing like your camera, your microphone, your location. uh, I would suggest, you can see here that location I have done the setting that whenever, if even Google is trying to access my camera or location or microphone, it will give me the notification. Even any other web services, any other website will try to access my camera, so they will have to give me the notification so that I can allow that. But sometime, if you have not if your setting is auto allowed, then anybody can access your camera, your microphone, your location from your browser without your permission. So these things must need to be corrected in order to secure your Google browser completely. So I believe guys I have covered everything in this video tutorial. Please follow the instructions and I guarantee you that you will be completely private while surfing the web or while surfing the internet through the Google Chrome browser. So that's all guys in this video tutorial. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel and also go to my website to read some more, like there are some good articles I have written down on online securities and computer tricks and tips also. Thank you so much. Bye bye.